Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or disable the dock on your Mac operating system. Let's get started and see how we can do it. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down a little on the left side, and you'll see a section called Desktop and Dock. Click on that. Here, you'll find several options to adjust your dock settings. You can change the size of the dock and enable or disable the magnification of the icons on your dock. Now, scroll a bit further down until you see the option Automatically Hide and Show the Dock. By default, this setting is turned off, meaning the dock is always visible. To hide the dock, simply enable this option. Once enabled, you'll notice the dock disappears. To bring it back, just hover your mouse at the bottom of the screen, and the dock will appear. When you're done, move your mouse away from the dock, and it will hide again. This is how you can hide the dock on your Mac operating system. If you want the dock to always be visible, simply go back to the settings and disable the Automatically Hide and Show the Dock option. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.